You already know, man. Let me talk my shit. Young pro shit, man. Ain't about shit, nigga. K-Band, dog.
I was born in 93, I'm a young nigga. All these fucking old heads, they be hating on me. First whip I cop, bitch, I'm throwing Dayton's on it. I was always taught to go and get it, never waiting on it. Yeah. Good chasing confetti, that be the topic. Your girl acting petty, I pay her to get it poppin'. She kissing on my stomach, I'm praying she get the topping. Every day I'm off the way, be the land, these niggas plotting. Same goal, get rich, nigga. Catch you with a nigga, bitch, not a bitch, nigga. I be fresh as hell and I got rent, nigga. I done came, I'm a old hoe sick, nigga. Yeah, no discussion unless it's about the money. Gotta keep my circle tight, cause I ain't messing with no sunnies. Gotta watch my back, cause you niggas be acting funny. Only hang with real niggas, though none of my homies Dougie. Trust me, I need a good life. Nigga ask me, am I working, what it look like? Shit, me, that ain't broke, don't look right. In Miami, 30 minutes early, that's a good flight. Yeah, I'm going hard till my whole fam stable. Counting on the floor, we don't need no table. M3Z, we don't need no label. Grinding all damn day, I don't need no cable. Yeah, you know I'm about green like Bella. You know I keep it 100 Jack Taylor. Chillin' in the penthouse, ain't no neighbors. I can get it myself, I don't need no favors. Yeah. He said, bro, but ain't no kidding me. Your friend turned forward, that nigga just been an enemy. Kill these fucking beats and these bitches till they remember me. Somebody let the hate in the room, I feel the energy. Literally, these niggas be colder than what December be. That's why I tend to stay to myself before they jamming me. Move them snakes out of the grass, I'm where the winners be. Every day I'm living my life till they get rid of me, I'm gone.